Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you what type of skills required for electronics and communication engineering. First of all, we have to know what is electronics and communication engineering. It deals with the study of electronic devices, the use of the system in digital and analog designing and transmissions, communications equipment like transmitters, receivers, integrated circuits. Career prospects for ECE engineering graduates. Graduates in ECE has huge opportunities in both the private and government sectors. Both these sectors offers internship facilities to the freshers. Excellent careers are available in many industries like telecom and IT companies. I will explain all the skills. Please watch this video till end. And one logical question here. If you know the answer, post your answer in comment box. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new notifications. First is embedded systems. It is microprocessor or microcontroller of software and hardware designed to perform specific tasks with a mechanical or electrical system and knowledge of different peripheral devices. To get job in this field, you should start learning and working on the following skills: C languages, basic commands of Linux, Visual Basics, data structure, UI design, and so on. Next is software development and visualization knowledge. You require C language, C++, Java, MATLAB, CAD, and so on. MATLAB is matrix laboratory is used to do math works efficiently by using programming languages or Simulink. Next is knowledge of VLSI design, chip design, electronic devices and semiconductors. Fundamentals of the design flow, analog devices, circuit design based on transistors, applications of diodes, hardware description languages, and so on. Some of the major concepts that you need to get familiar with are microprocessors and microcontrollers, basic electronics, control systems, digital communication, VLSI, analog electronics, and so on. Not only these skills, you have to build interpersonal skills to crack the job and to perform any interview. First, presentation skills, communication skills, listening skills, leadership skills, ability to solve easily, teamwork, and so on. Course duration is 4 years. Course offered by JNTU, IIT, NIT, state universities. Next, eligibility: mains and state level engineering exams. Next, fee structure. For public colleges, average fee is 3 lakhs. For private colleges, average fee is 15 lakhs. Placement opportunities. In private sectors, Intel, Qualcomm, TCS, LG, HP, Videocon, Samsung, and so on. For government sectors, Bell, ISRO, BSNL, Indian Railways, and so on. These are the top skills required for electronics and communication engineering. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new notifications. And if you want logical question answer, please follow my Insta, you can get the answer. Thank you.